The biggest difference between our school and other schools is when you come to our school, first off, you'll go back and you'll change the way you do your business. You'll change everything about your business if you go back and do what we say.
17 years ago when I started this, no one was doing this the way we basically set it up, and that was not to take out as much material. Everyone was pulling out pad, they're putting airflow underneath there, they're just throwing the equipment in there, there's cutting out a lot of different things.
We've trained about 6,000 to 7,000 restoration professionals and insurance professionals, and what we see is you can look at the same building, line 10 people up. All 10 people are going to do it completely different.
What we do is teach people how to drive, proven methods, although we're all the time changing things, but our whole goal is how to set the job up to dry it and dry it as quickly as possible.
The difference in the class is we keep you on your feet all 3 days. We're constantly taking you and showing you something or showing you demonstrations or something like that, so you're not sitting down there for too long. And the biggest thing we do is we have fun with you.
We're going to talk about psychometrics. We're going to talk about different materials. We're going to talk about the insurance companies. We're going to talk about the homeowners, how you should do it. We're going to talk about how the equipment, how to set it up. Everything we do is hands-on.
No other school addresses or compare equipment like we do. We've done more tests than any other human living, and all we've done is test all this equipment trying to find out what works and what doesn't. At the end of the day, what we can tell you that no other class can is this is exactly the piece of equipment you need to go buy, and here's why. Here's the proof behind it. We're not just talking about it, we get to go look in an actual flood house. Our flood house is 1,500 square feet now. It's bigger than any of the ones I know of that are out there. We have different types of carpet and pad. We have wood flooring in the building. We have double hung sheetrock. We have paneling. We have all different types of materials that you're going to run into and see.
What's important in a flood house when you do that is, first of all, these guys getting to actually do the work, to extract it, how to set up the equipment, do some things.
And that hands-on experience and showing you exactly what to do, and instead of just talking about it, is priceless. You're going to get the skinny on all the equipment, what it takes to do this job, how to do it the best you can, and how to make the most amount of money, because when it comes to that, we all want to make money. And we're going to teach you how to be able to go out and do your job the best, be the best in your area, take pride in what you do, and take care of your customer better than anybody else.
In 3 days, we're going to give you a lot of things to think about. And here's the thing, if you'll listen and do what I tell you to do, you'll be successful. You really will. I guarantee it.